Lakes Championship Wrestling presents Blizzard Brawl 9, Saturday night, December 7th at the Waukesha County Expo Center. See a triple threat match with Shane Helms, Matt Hardy, and Ken Anderson. WWE Hall of Famers Howard Finkel and Ron Simmons for a special appearance. The GLCW Championship, Al Snow versus Joseph Parks. GLCW Tag Team Champions Demolition also in action. TNA Champion Robbie E has an open challenge and more. Special meet and greets. Tickets start at $10. BlizzardBrawl.com. BlizzardBrawl.com. Get your tickets now.